Hi guys, Mark here. This is just an update about the situation with COVID-19 and easing out of lockdown. A lot of you must be curious when you'll be able to resume driving lessons, and it isn't completely clear just yet, although we do have a lot of information now. Obviously, there are differences between Scotland and England. England seems to be about 3 weeks ahead of Scotland, but I'll try to cover both of those things. So, from 1st of June, DVSA is rescheduling all the tests up till and including 21st of June. That is for theory tests just now, although I presume practical tests are going to be postponed or moved as well, because it's even harder to keep social distancing inside the car than it is in a classroom full of PCs and desktops. So that is for Scotland and Wales. For England, they just cancelled the test on Monday, the 1st of June. There's no information about the tests after that. It seems like they're considering running the tests sometime next week and deciding whether to cancel just the 1st or the 2nd or the 3rd and so on and so on. So the theory test may resume next week in England. Obviously, practical tests will be later than that, but there's no information on that just yet. Now, so we know that at least until the 21st of June, there will be no tests conducted by DVSA whatsoever. That seems to indicate that no lessons should take place until the 21st of June as well. For Scotland, the earliest we probably gonna come back to work is the 9th of July. So the Scottish government came up with a plan to ease off lockdown, and it's divided in phases where they release different sectors of industry in phases. Driving lessons seem to be in phase 3 together with hairdressers and all other businesses that are kind of close proximity, a lot of contact and so on. So it seems like Scotland will the lessons in Scotland will resume in phase 3. Now, when will phase 3 come into force? If everything goes to plan, fingers crossed, it's going to be the 9th of July. We moved into phase 1 on the 28th of May, and every cycle seems to last at least 3 weeks. So hopefully in 3 weeks' time, we're going to move to phase 2. Then another 3 weeks from there, that's going to be phase 3. If one of the phases is going to last more than one cycle, so it's going to be spread into 2 cycles, then obviously introduction of phase 3 will be postponed by another 3 weeks. So we may be talking about end of July rather than beginning of July, but that's something you can look out for and look for announcement about phase 3. That's the key point for Scotland. Like I said, England seems to be 3 weeks ahead, so maybe 21st of June is the day where everything's gonna go back to normal. Maybe not. We'll wait for more details from DVSA regarding the practical tests. I would say it's reasonable to presume that when the practical tests are gonna resume, that's when driving lessons are gonna resume as well. I'll keep you updated once we have more information about that. I'll let you know. So stay tuned, subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Drive smart.